Well, hello guys, welcome to NCR Garage. I'm just taking here, I'm sorry, block the camera. I'm just taking here a few minutes to talk to you guys. You know what's going on in the world with coronavirus. I'm no expert, I'm not talking about what's going on, virus wise, because I don't have no idea about that. I know what I hear in the news, but I read. Right here it's past 8:35, and I'm still in the shop because I'm working on this Amazon truck. I'm not sure you can see it. I'm fixing that repair right there. So I'm gonna be putting some primer, then I'll go home. But and then I got some work over there, like you can see, Caprice. But I'm not worried, about the sickness because I believe in the Lord and I know everything's gonna be fine. But I get a little worried about financially when you're a small business. So I own my business. I don't own the shop. I rent here, so I gotta come out with rent every 3 months. It's almost $3,000 between rent and garbage, electricity, gas. So you get worried a little bit about that because for the last probably week and a half, I have seen the business slow down since all this started. I haven't seen people coming in the shop. I'm open for business. I will be open for business until the government said to shut down. I'm staying away from crowds. You know, I stopped shaking my customer hand. I don't want to sound rude when they come in. But I'm just doing that as a precaution because we had to be precaution. I wash my hands a lot. I use hand sanitizer. But I gotta take care of myself. And I gotta protect myself like everybody else have to because you never know who was with who and so the virus could keep spreading. So to stop that from spreading, customer come, I try to just look at the car, give them an estimate, not shaking hand, just for precaution. But when everything get back to normal, then I'll be back shaking hand. But right now we have to be careful what's going on. But I'm here in the shop, like you can see, I'm still here. It's 8:40 right now speaking. You know, uh, about what's going on. Like I said, I'm not nervous. I think probably the media is making it a little bit worse than it is because the media like to put fears into people. That's my opinion. Maybe other people wouldn't see it that way, but I know for a fact, based on what you see in the TV, what you do every day, media like to put fear. That's how they get people from, you know, watching their news by putting fear into people, and making them panic. I went to the store to buy paper towels for the shop, because I was running low on paper towel and I was running low in toilet paper. There was nothing, I'm like, what's going on? The virus don't cause diarrhea or nothing like that, but there was no toilet paper, so uh, just for my regular need, there was nothing, because people are buying everything like bulk, But I continue to work. If I don't have work, I mean on daily driver collision because people are afraid to come to the shop. I still got those cars in the back that I gotta finish. I don't count those jobs as money that come in daily, weekly, because those I have to finish them before I get paid. So and they're a lot of work. So I've been doing those little by little. But if everything get to worse, I will have to talk to my landlord or something like that to hold them if I had to pay them late. But I will finish those cars first. If everything gets low and I have no work. So that's the only part that's worrying me a little bit about the customer not coming in because they might be afraid, they might be staying home, which I understand. So I'm coming here because I have work. I'm not touching nobody. I'm by myself. And I have a guy that come here and talk to me. I mean, to work here with me. He's an employee that I just hired part time. So he's been working here lately. But other than that, it's me by myself. So that's why I'm here. But we just have to be careful what's going out there. And just take precaution, clean our hands. And stay away from crowds. And then, but when you're a small business and you're like me, it's not easy. Trying to make a dollar because we have to work hard to be able to pay our bills. So we got the mortgage at home, we got the bills at home, then we got the shop bills. I got two electric bills because I rent two shop. Then I got gas. Then I got both rent because they're two individual shop. This bay here where I do my body work, the other bay is where I do the paint. That's a separate rent. So I have two rent. And then everything add up. But I will continue working, like I said, until the government said not to work. I'm here in the shop, as you can see. You know, I'm trusting the Lord that this thing will pass fast. I know probably not gonna pass fast because what we're seeing in China, Italy. But I'm just taking my precaution, like everyone should be. And I'm just like I say, I'm hibernating myself inside the shop. Working on these cars. You know, uh, but like if you're in Illinois and I'm in Romeoville, if you're looking for body work, you're always more than welcome to stop by and get up. I could give you an estimate. You know, you want to see videos on my work? I posted some video here online, here on YouTube. Lately, I started making more video of me talking, about on the cars, on the video about the cars, stuff like that. But like before, I used to put video once in a while and not talk. But lately, I'm trying to make a video, me talking, showing cars, blah blah. So right here, I want to open this cabinet. Right here. I'm also a distributor for Tamco. So all this stuff here that you see here is for sale. This is clear coat. This is primer reducer. I have only medium reducer, but I got glamour clear. That's high solid. I have Euro clear. I have 2 hour clear. That I sell from Tamco. So if you're a painter and you want to try Tamco and you're in Illinois and you're close to me, you can come by and pick some up. I sell it like the same price Tamco sell it. For the same price. I don't try to make more money than they are. So feel free to stop by, but give me a call before you come by because I might run out. So if I have nothing, I don't want you to waste your trip. So call me. I'll let you know if I have that clear or that primer in stock. I have black primer 2K and gray primer 2K. So if you want to try Tamco paint, just let me know. It's a great product. I've been using it for a while. So I sell it. I don't sell it much. My main business is the body shop, not the Tamco paint. But I have it and I sell it. I also use it. I've been using it since 2013. I've been selling it since 2016. So that's something that I sell too, and then I do body work for the average folks. If you have a car that you need body work done, let me know. I'm not taking restoration at the moment. I decided to stay out of it. I started doing it. This car that you see in the back, I'm finishing those cars and I'm done. I'm gonna be posting video here restoration, but that's gonna be my own cars. If I decide to do restoration later on, I will let you guys know. But right now I'm not doing it because I can. I'm a one guy. Now I have some helper, but I'm training that guy. So for me, it hasn't been going well. Restoration. Haven't been making money. And when you go into business, you want to make money. I love the cars and I like fixing cars, but at the same time, I have bills to pay. So I changed the way my business was started. I started more like a restoration, but right now I'm focused more on collision job, and then restoration is gonna be for me to enjoy myself, fix them, enjoy them, maybe sell them, and then grab another project. But that's gonna be for me and make video of those cars going on. But right now, just doing collision. You got a 94 Honda, like an example. You have a 2000 Corolla. You have a 2017, 2018, 2019. Those kind of cars want to fixing. But if you have a 60 Mustang or 67 Mustang, 64, you want me to restore that? I'm gonna tell you no. I don't want to be mean. If we need a paint job, I might do it, the paint job. But if you need to be stripped down to complete, I'm not going to, because I don't have the main capacity here. I'm by myself. I'm trying to make it here. Like you said, I have no frame machine. I have no lift. Those are stuff that I want to get later on. So right now, I only have a paint booth into the side. So I'm a small shop. I started 3 years ago in this location, but I started my house in 2012. So the business been going little by little. I started my house 2012. Let me clear it, as a side job. Then in 2014, that's when I got laid off from a company, I became self-employed. I started working from home. In 2016, I moved to this shop where I am. That was in October of 2016. So it's gonna be almost 4 years that I'm here in this shop. So I'm trying to little by little, you know, save money and buy the equipment and stuff like that. So I'm making this video on YouTube just to show what I do. And you guys stay here, you might see me growing, buying equipment, buying this and there. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the support. Uh, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, comment if you have any question. And I don't want to make this video more long, so I'll make another video later on. So you guys stay safe out there. And then I'll keep here. Working hard. If there's customer coming or there's not customer coming, I'll be working here. Until this thing happen and get back to normal. Thank you for watching and God bless.